Hello guys. Okay, my name's Zach and today we are playing Roblox. Actually, my name is Zach 3LD, as if you can see. Zach 3LD is my name and today is my first video. Okay, so if you looked at my YouTube logo and my page, you might see that I'm like a big Transformers fan. Yeah, I'm really a big Transformers fan. Okay, so today we're going to play with Legends of Speed. Okay, these are my friends, No Worst Player, Casey underscore Fenna, and all the others. Okay, and if you want to be friends with me, my name is Zach, and then 3, lowercase o, lowercase d. Okay, and lowercase z for Zach. 3LD. Okay. Okay, so today we're gonna actually do it. So I'm gonna do Legends of Speed right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's by Scription Studios. So I really like this game. My brother showed it to me, and it's a really cool game. Okay, I only discovered it when my brother showed me. Okay, now let's play. Okay, I'm opening Roblox. Okay. And maybe I'll change my webpage to Roblox and stuff, but I don't know that yet. Okay, so as you can see, I'm lightning, and yeah, like my name is kind of almost the same as my username for Roblox. I think that's what it's called. But okay, guys, today let's play in Roblox. It's a nice, wonderful day. Okay, and today I'm going to tell you some ways I got a lot of speed. Well, it's not a lot comparing to these guys. These are the good guys, cool guys. Like they all have like over 1 mil. Okay, so today I'm gonna actually show you it now. Okay, so for beginners, if you collect enough hoops, you can get this like green hoop, and it'll give you like 1.2 thousand. Wait, no, 400 steps. Wait, can I see that? 400 steps. Okay. Yeah, I just want to check. And I also use codes. Okay, it takes a while because it's like there's a thing right there. I also use codes, and I do some codes. Okay, that's how I also get like a lot of diamonds. And like I'm gonna start a race right now. I know I'm not gonna beat all of these guys, but let's just do it for fun. Okay, 2, 1, go. See, like those other people are like so faster than me. My brother is like super fast. He has like 112 races, which is very cool. And you can also get these gems and these orbs. Orbs will like help your speed and stuff. And yeah. So when you get a lot of green hoops, you should be able to get this purple hoop. After you get a lot of green hoops. Okay. It took me like a long time to do this. Well, okay, so I went on here, and then like I would go on the other hoop to there, and then I would jump to the purple thing. But I'm so fast enough that I can just do this, like, and jump. If you're like super fast, you should grind like with this. But if you don't want to move to a different area, oh, this is hard. Why am I not doing it? Okay, I got it. Okay. And yeah, if you're like super speedy, it won't fill like your XP up that easily, but there is another way for getting more speed. Like so these like courses, like these like platforms like you jump on, they require different levels. Okay? And it's travel to frost course. You can either pick yes or no. So the glitch that my brother discovered is when there's a race in progress, if you press yes, if you press yes, you'll actually just travel to this instead of like going in the race or something. Okay? Even if you're in a race, you can still go to the frost course. Okay. Now, okay, I'm going to do this. Oh my goodness, I hate that. Okay, and still, the blocks in like worked hard to do this. So, thank you for making this games. Script box Ian, I'm sorry for pronouncing your name wrong if I did that, because I'm certain I did that. But okay, let's get to the good point. Okay, so when we go on this treasure chest, as you saw earlier when I was talking about script blocks in, okay, so when you go on this like trusting, you get this amount of points, like this amount of steps, like 1,000 steps is for this one. And yeah. Okay, now it's time to tell you the glitch I learned. If you do this, and then go yes on this one, my brother discovered that you can travel to the city like this. Okay, I'm gonna prove it to you. Yeah, see? That's the thing. It's still like, I think he should like fix that, and there's like more glitches that you want to know. There's like a race, and it starts, and you use either like a code or anything else, like the enter button will be with the race, so it's gonna look like really bad. I can show you that later maybe. I don't know if I have enough time. But okay. So I'll just tell you, yeah. So this on this hoop. Oh, what the heck? Wait, what the heck? Participant reward, 15 plus gems. What? I never got this before, so yeah. But I guess if you participate a lot, you would do that. Oh, can we get more? Wait a minute. Please. Wait, no. Why is it? It's hard because of like my jump's so high and my speed. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Well, at least I can still tell this. Okay, and there's like some caves that like when you do, and like if you have enough rebirths, you can go in like this like space thing like right here, which my brother can do, but I still can't do. It's like 50 races, and I have like 38, so I need to get better at that. So for on certain levels, you get to miss caves. The first one is the mysterious cave. For if you've done that first, okay. So this one's it's just like a obstacle course, and yeah, that's it. It's gonna be a little hard for me because I have like middle speed enough, so I think I can just jump on this platform. So, yes, okay. And then, I bump on the ceiling. Like, okay, now you get to Snow City, which I like. Okay, this is why I like it. Like, you get these like cool white hoops, like that give you like a lot of stuff. But if that isn't good enough for you, you get to travel to another cave. Wait, yeah, Infernal Cave. If you have one rebirth and I have 2, so I have enough. So yeah, we're traveling to, and it's like another obstacle course, which is also hard for me because I have too much speed. And yeah, let's just, oh, actually that was pretty easy on this attempt. Okay, now I also like this part because you gotta be careful or else you'll get lava and get hurt. So yeah, it's not showing you guys my health bar, but I am getting hurt each time for some reason I'm not right now, but and my computer is heating up like a lot. And let's just, and you also get these red hoops that are also very good. And you can go to like another cave, I guess, I think, like, or another place. But sadly, I don't have enough rebirths to show you that on the speed desert. I've also made a game before, but um, I think I guess I can show you next time or something. Oh, there's a treasure chest here. I didn't see that. I guess there's like a treasure chest everywhere, and you get gems from it or like other stuff. I think, or maybe just gems. I don't know. I forgot. I haven't played this game in a while, and yeah. Oh, I also forgot to tell you that these speed things, they make you increase like your fastness. Like, wow. Looks like that. Oh, there's also another cave. That's Electro Cave, which is crazy, and I think my brother can do it, but I can't do that because I need 10 resources. Okay, and also for each like level you get through, like the better the level, like the more that the orbs like value and steps increase. I think. Or they're just exactly the same and I'm just doing lies. Okay. You can check that yourself. And I would say this is like a really good game that Script blocks in made. And yeah. So I guess I'm gonna end this video here. Okay? And see you next time. Bye!